Hello, readers. Our next book of the day is Animals That Help Us. Military Animals. Animals on land. Dogs. Dogs are man's best friend. They can bark to warn soldiers of danger. They can bite or attack an enemy. They can also look for people in damaged buildings. Dogs to the rescue. Caption: Dogs help search for people trapped after an earthquake. Rats. Most people don't want rats at home, but they are welcome on battlefields. Large African rats can smell very well. They have been trained to find landmines and bombs. Good to know. The large rats stick their nose high in the air when they smell TNT used in landmines and bombs. Here, landmine. Caption: Rats help people clear fields of old landmines. This saves lives. Horses. Horses are fast and strong. They can carry heavy loads. Many years ago, before tanks, soldiers rode horses into battle. Today, horses are used to get to places tanks can't go. Caption: These soldiers are training horses to carry heavy weapons. Elephants. Long ago, people used elephants in war. Elephants could carry heavy loads. They could also crush an enemy. But one thing always stopped them: pigs. Elephants are scared of their squeals. Caption: Elephants used in battles are honored in Thailand and India. Animals in the water. Dolphins. Dolphins are very smart and loyal. They can find mines under the water. These mines can blow up a ship. Cameras help humans see what the dolphin finds underwater. Dolphins help keep ships safe. Here's a camera. Sea lions. Sea lions have great sight. They have been trained to spot underwater bombs. They can also swim fast. Sea lions can sneak up on an enemy swimmer or spy near a boat and trap him. Animals in the air. Pigeons. Pigeons have been used to send top secret news during war. Soldiers put a note on the pigeon's leg. The pigeon flies through the battle. The secret note safely gets to the right person, and fast. Good to know. Pigeons always fly home, so the birds had to be sent from one place to another first, by train or by troops in war. Then the pigeons would return home with secret notes from the front lines. Bats. Not all flying animals are easy to train. People have tried to use bats in war. They trained the bats to drop tiny bombs in buildings, but the bats flew wherever they wanted. Oops. Bees. No one likes to get stung by a bee. So long ago, beehives were thrown into enemy camps. Ouch! Today, bees are being trained to sniff out bombs. Bees have a very good sense of smell. Robobugs. Not all military animals bark, bite, or sting. Robobugs, called drones, are being made by scientists. These flying robots have cameras in them. They might be the military animals of the future. Words to keep: enemy, a person or country who is against you. Military, related to soldiers or the army. Rescue, to save. Soldier, a person who fights in a war. Train, to teach.